Welcome, everyone, to the 14th annual reInvent. Giving all of you the freedom to keep inventing is why we're here today. And right now, we're witnessing an explosion of invention with AI. Every single customer experience, every single company, frankly, every single industry is in the process right now of being reinvented. And we're still in the early days of what AI is going to deliver. And the technology is iterating faster than anything any of us have ever witnessed before. I believe that the advent of AI agents has brought us to an inflection point in AI's trajectory. It's turning from a technical wonder into something that delivers us real value. This change is going to have as much impact on your business as the internet or the cloud. Already, we see agents accelerating healthcare discoveries, improving customer service, making payroll processing more efficient. And agents are also starting to scale people's impact, up by 10x in some cases, so they have more time to invent more. Wouldn't it be awesome if everyone could see that level of impact? At AWS, we've been innovating at all of the layers of the stack to give you all the freedom to invent what's next. We have a lot to share. Let's get started. I'm excited to announce the new P6e GB300. These are powered by NVIDIA's latest GB300 NVL72 systems, and we continue to bring you the best-in-class compute for the most demanding AI workloads. Our full-stack approach to hardware and software, plus operational rigor, delivers you the absolute best performance and reliability for the biggest organizations in the world. This includes NVIDIA themselves, by the way, who run their large-scale Gen AI cluster, Project Saba, on AWS, and many others, like OpenAI, who are actively running on AWS today. They're using clusters of EC2 Ultra servers with hundreds of thousands of chips, today GB200s and soon GB300s, and they have the ability to scale to more than tens of millions of CPUs to manage their agentic workflows. All of this is to support their ChatGPT application, which I'm sure many of you use, as well as the training of their next generation models. We're excited to announce AWS AI factories. With this launch, we're enabling customers to deploy dedicated AI infrastructure for AWS in their own data centers for exclusive use for them. Effectively, AWS AI factories operate like a private AWS region, letting customers leverage their own data center space and power capacity that they've already acquired. We also give them access to leading AWS AI infrastructure and services, including the very latest in Tranium Ultra servers or NVIDIA GPUs, and access to services like SageMaker and Bedrock. These AI factories operate exclusively for each customer, and it helps them with that separation, maintaining the security and reliability that you get from AWS, while also meeting stringent compliance and sovereignty requirements. We're super excited to see what these AI factories unlock for customers. Last year, we announced that we were already hard at work on our next chip, Tranium 3, designed to make AI workloads better, faster, and more cost-effective. Today, I'm excited to announce that Tranium 3 Ultra servers are now generally available. Now, these Ultra servers are our most advanced, containing the very first 3-nanometer AI chip in the AWS cloud. Tranium 3 offers the industry's best price performance for large-scale AI training and inference. Tranium 3 Ultra servers bring another huge leap forward. 4.4x more compute, 3.9 times the memory bandwidth, and this one is super important, 5 times more AI tokens per megawatt of power. No one else can deliver this for you. It requires all of these system-level pieces to be co-designed together. It requires multiple types of custom silicon. It requires scale-up and scale-out networking. It requires a detailed and integrated software stack, and of course, the industry's leading data centers. We're excited to see what TRN3 is going to unlock for customers, but we're also not stopping there. I wanted to give you a bit of sneak peek as to what's coming around the corner. And that's why I'm excited to announce that we're already hard at work on Tranium 4. Tranium 4 will deliver 6 times the FP4 compute performance, 4 times more memory bandwidth, 2 times more high memory bandwidth capacity to support the very largest models that you have in the world. Tranium continues to push the bounds of what's possible with AI infrastructure, so you all can be freed to push the bounds of your industry. Now, when you all start building a Gen AI application, the very first thing you likely decide on is which model are you going to use. We've never believed that there was going to be one model to rule them all, but rather that there would be a ton of great models out there. We have really large ones and small models, and we've nearly doubled the number of models that we offer in Bedrock over the last year. Today, I'm pleased to announce that we're introducing a whole host of new open weights models. These models include ones like Google's Gemma, Minimax M2, and NVIDIA's Nemotron. And today, we have a couple of new models that are debuting to the world for the very first time. I'm excited to announce that today, from Mistral AI and available immediately on Bedrock, are two new sets of open weights models. The first is Mistral Large, which is a big leap forward from their Large 2 model, doubling the context window size and vastly increasing the number of model parameters by more than 5 times. We're also launching today Ministral 3, which is a cool set of 3 models that offer really great deployment flexibility for ultra-efficient edge devices or single GPU deployments or advanced local operations. And today, we're making Nova even better, announcing a new generation of Nova with Nova 2. Nova 2 delivers cost-optimized low-latency models with frontier-level intelligence. The Nova 2 family includes Nova 2 Lite, which is our fast and cost-effective reasoning model suitable for a broad set of workloads, and Nova 2 Pro, which is our most intelligent reasoning model for highly complex workloads. We're also introducing Nova 2 Sonic, which is our next-generation speech-to-speech model that enables real-time, human-like conversational AI for all of your applications. I'm excited to announce Nova 2 Omni. It's a unified model for multimodal reasoning and image generation. Nova 2 Omni is the industry's first reasoning model that supports text, image, video, and audio input, and then supports text and image generation output. I'm excited to announce Amazon Nova Forge. Nova Forge is a new service that introduces the concept of open training models. With Nova Forge, you get exclusive access to a variety of Nova training checkpoints, and then you get the ability for you to blend in your own proprietary data together with an Amazon-curated training data set at every stage of the model training. Now here to share how Sony is transforming and reinventing their business on AWS, please welcome Chief Digital Officer and Corporate Executive Officer from Sony Group Corporation, John Codera. We're announcing Policy in Agent Core. Policy provides you with real-time deterministic controls for how your agents interact with your enterprise tools and your data. Now you can set up these policies that can define which tools and data your agents can access, but also how they access them. So whether they're APIs or Lambda functions or MCP servers or popular third-party services like Salesforce or Slack. And you also can then define what actions they can perform and under what conditions. Today, I'm excited to announce Agent Core Evaluations. Evaluations is a new Agent Core service that helps developers continuously inspect the quality of their agent based on real-world behavior. Evaluations can help you analyze agent behavior for specific criteria, like the ones I mentioned, correctfulness, helpfulness, harmfulness. And they come with 13 pre-built evaluators for common quality dimensions. Please welcome Shantanu Narayan, CEO and Chair of Adobe. Please welcome May Habib, CEO of Writer. Just yesterday, we launched AWS Transform Custom, which gives you the ability to create custom code transformation agents to modernize any code or API or framework or runtime or language translation, even programming languages or frameworks that are only used by your company. And customers are already flocking to it. Let me introduce the first frontier agent we'll be launching today, and that is the Kiro Autonomous Agent. The Kiro agent is an agent that transforms how developers and teams build software, vastly increasing your developers' team's capacity to invent. I'm very excited to announce the launch of the AWS Security Agent. This agent will help you build applications that are secure from the very beginning. AWS Security Agent helps you ship with more confidence. It embeds security expertise upstream and enables you to secure your systems more often. Introducing the AWS DevOps Agent. This agent is a frontier agent that resolves and proactively prevents incidents, continuously improving your reliability and your performance. The AWS DevOps agent investigates incidents and identifies operational improvements, just like your experienced DevOps engineers would. Today is a big leap forward in the journey towards unlocking the value of AI. And because AWS is so broad, I know many of you were hoping to hear about our fantastic additions to our core non-AI services as well. I have 25 exciting new product launches across our core AWS services to unveil, and I'm gonna give myself just 10 minutes to do it. To keep me honest here, the team is rolling out a shot clock, and you all can keep track. All right, buckle up, everybody. Let's get to it. All right, boom, did it. Thank you all for coming to reInvent. Enjoy.